Hey guys. Um so again, while I was at my mom's, BToB's new music video got released for Beep Beep. I'm kind of scared to watch it because of the second teaser, but you know, it's BToB. I love BToB, so um yeah. So here we go, and it starts off like with the car, the headlight. So you know, I'm oh, they're so cute. I love these guys so much. iPhone. My sister just got one of those. He looks like a little kid. Oh, he's so grown up looking. Oh gosh. Please don't even. Vanille! Peniel has so much more lyrics. What is with this? Oh gosh. They look so different, yet the same. I'm so happy that Peniel has more like lyrics. Because usually he just has like one or two or like English, you know. Oh, he's... Oh. I bet he really got to play the piano since he can. I really like their hair, like it really suits them in this video. I want one of those little cars because I've seen GD in one and now I've seen them in one. He was just doing dirty or 30 sexy. That's so awesome. Oh my gosh. That was so cute. Like, I didn't think it was going to be that cute. It was cute though. Like, I can't. What? They went from thriller to. Like, they went from thriller, creepy, whatever, to cute, playful little boys. Like, oh man, that's so funny. I really like that song. Like it's like really catchy, and you know, it's wow. But BToB, man, they are just, oh gosh. I can't even begin with these guys. They're awesome. So, but yeah. Anyways, let me know what you guys thought about Beep Beep in the comments. Like the video if you guys like BToB or, their cuteness or whatever. Don't forget to subscribe for more craziness with me. And yeah, so I will see you guys next time. Bye.